Hey guys, happy 2018. Welcome back to my channel. So I got a bunch of makeup from Kat Von D that I requested, and I'm so hyped right now. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, Kat Von D probably has some of the best products out there, and she's reasonable. Hold that thought. She's reasonably priced for the quality of her products, and I got a bunch of shit I want to show you guys right now. So I got this foundation that I'm going to be using in shade medium warm. I got beautiful shade and light glimmer palette that I'm going to be trying. I also got the makeup mist setting spray, and then I got her cream contour palette. Oh my god, I'm so hyped for this right now. Got her concealer. This is in shade M27 warm. It's like, and then I got this sexy ass lipstick. It's her Glimmer Veil lipstick in Thunderstruck. How pretty. I'm gonna show you guys each product individually as I incorporate them, but I just wanted to give you a little glance of what I'll be working with. Obviously, because you guys know per my previous videos, this is gonna be glammed out, glitter for the gods, lashes for days, honey. We did not come here to play. All right, so let's get into it. I already started doing my brows, but I was like, since I have this new concealer, I want to show you guys how it does with my brow highlighting. So I use my Anastasia brow dip in medium brown. Just like outlining my brows. But I really wanted to show you guys this part, so this new thing that I started doing, I started highlighting my brows before I do fill them in, because it gives me more of an idea of where to stop at. So this is a Kat Von D concealer. It's beautiful. Like, it is so amazing. This would be my first time trying it, guys, but I can already tell by the consistency and everything that it's going to be a gem to work with. And it smells pretty good too. I'm going to use my Le Mercier brush to highlight this brow. That. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, really. Kat, call me, girl. Call me. I want to be your friend. Let's be friends. Goodness. All right, this is the closest I'm gonna get to the matching. To the matching. So yeah, I have my wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend this concealer in. It was super easy to work with. Like, I'm not even kidding. It was like watery but still dense, if that makes sense. To the point, like, I had the concealer on like for a good 8 minutes before I actually am blending it right now, and I was still able to work with it and build it out. So that's freaking awesome. Now I'm gonna put some more of this concealer on my eyelids, because I'm gonna use this as a base for my shadow. My favorite part. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that Glimmer shadow palette. So many gorgeous colors in this palette. It took me a while to figure out what look I wanted to go for. I'm probably gonna end up doing all of these eventually, but for right now, I'm gonna go in with this rose gold look. Look at me. Metallic-y right here. So I'm not gonna use this for my base as of yet. I'm gonna go into my Kat Von D powder contour palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And this is legit just gonna be a shadow base. Color right here. And I'm gonna put that on my crease. Go into this dark pink right here. And I'm going to put this actually on my crease. Use this white color right here to balance it out so the edges aren't looking rough. I have that base color blended out. Not really my base, I guess it was a crease color. Who knows, whatever. Now I'm going to go back in with that Kat Von D concealer. I'm going to basically make a cut crease, and I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to put a little bit of this. NYX glitter glue. And this, I'm going to use this color right here. This pretty gold, rose gold color. Just definitely a little. Now I'm going to go back in with that first crease blending brush. And I'm not going to put any more product. I'm just going to blend it out so everything ties together. Taking this brown shimmery color right here, and I'm putting that in the crease to give it some depth. I think the only thing I noticed was there was some kickback a little bit, like I'm assuming because it was so glittery, but you know, it did get on my shirt and stuff. So I mean, that's to be expected. If it's a glittery product, like, it's gonna have fallout. Back to this rose gold color. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone right here. Now I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena makeup wipe, makeup remover wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe my face out of all that fallout that just came. NYX Honeydew Me Up primer. Love this primer. It's like, and I feel like it's probably really good for dry skin too. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. This is the shade Medium 62 Warm. I had such trouble trying to get this off. Oh, okay. I gotta get this weave out of my face. Oh, girl, don't you fall, girl. Be strong, sis. That pink girl trying to. This color is a little bit darker than my skin, maybe like by half a shade or a shade. Not a big deal, because once you use translucent powder and setting powder, it lightens your skin anyway. So I'm not stressed about that. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. One thing though is that this dries down so fast. Like, I can't even blend it out because it's drying down so fast. So I'm going to read the directions. It says 24-hour wear, full coverage, transfer resistant matte finish. So I think this is a good thing and a bad thing, because the fact that it's so matte and it's transfer resistant, like, I can't even like blend it. It's already dried down on my skin. So like that. Really an orange color, like, it's really orange. Like, if you look at my skin, like, look at my face and my body, like, it's definitely orange. What I'm gonna do before I highlight and contour and stuff to try to like mellow out this orange look, I'm gonna use the concealer Not as a I'm not trying to highlight or anything. I'm just trying to like balance out this orangeness. I'm just gonna put it like in random places. See, the concealer is more blendable. The foundation, I feel like it dried in like 5 seconds. Like I literally couldn't even blend it quick enough. It just it dried like as soon as I put it on my face. And my blender is wet, guys, so I don't know. I don't know why this is taking so long to dry down. It's like it's getting me a little annoyed. Okay, the concealer made it look a little better because it kind of like got rid of that orangeness. That orange is killing me. Some of you guys might know, but I do have eczema, so like anything like mattifying and I guess that dries really quickly, I'm like really wary of because my skin will like break out. And this is one of those. That foundation is like one of those products that like my skin will go crazy. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D cream contour palette, and I love her powder contour. You guys might know I use her powder contour on like all my videos, so I'm really excited to have this one. This fresh out of the box, fresh. I'm gonna be using this color right here and this color right here for contour. So this is gonna be my highlight. This shade right here. Okay, now I'm honestly scared to even set my face because my skin is so dry right now. I do not want to set my face. Like at all. I'm not gonna set my face. I was gonna set my face. No, I'm not gonna set my face because Kat Von D powder contour palette, and this is the one I use like every video. This one I love. Like I use this all the time. Like literally. For my highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC bronzer, and I'm just gonna use this to deepen out my contour. Oh, she's falling. The pink girl's falling. Deepen out my contour. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush and Spring Sheen. They probably don't even make this anymore because this blush is so old, but it does the job. Now I'm gonna go into my inner corner of my eyes with my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and it's very similar to the Kat Von D color, which is why I'm using it. I'm gonna take my little round brush. Oh wow. Hey guys, now I'm gonna go in with my Eyelure lashes. And I got these from Target for like $7. This is what they look like. Super dramatic, super cute, and I'm gonna pop these on and be right back. Hey guys, now I have my lashes on, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeliner in the shade, I think it's called like Gunmetal. This is a swatch of it. It's like a dark black gray shimmery color. Now for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm going to use the colors Starburst and Gumdrop. So this is Starburst and this is Gumdrop. Okay. And I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Glimmer Veil glitter lipstick. This is probably my favorite part so far. I can't wait to try this one. I'm not going to do a base. I have this Dr. Hauska lip line definer and it's transparent. And just because I'm super extra, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my eyelid too. Just to give it an extra glow. Now I'm going to top it off with my Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist. It says shake well after makeup application. Close eyes and mist 10 to 12 inches. And keep your eyes closed. Oh, that's what I did. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I took my hair down and it doesn't look crazy anymore. My favorite part of this look is definitely the lipstick, the Glimmer Veil stick. I like that it's super pigmented, but the thing is, it's like, it's a little bit drying, but it's gorgeous. Like, would I wear this on a regular day? No, but I would wear it to look fierce, honey, okay? And another part that I have to talk about, you guys saw me struggling, was that foundation. Like, literally, I did not even have enough time to blend it out because it literally dried in 5 seconds. So, if you're ever using this foundation, don't use a beauty blender or a sponge. Use a brush or something because it would not blend. Like, it literally stayed still on my face. And it definitely is a little bit drying because it's matte. So, I would use a moisturizing primer for this foundation, which I didn't use. And also, the shadow was amazing. I love the shadow a lot. And the cream contour palette was amazing too. I think the only product that I really wasn't feeling for my skin was the foundation because of the fact that it was dried out so fast. But let me know what you guys think. Do you have Kat Von D's Lock-It foundation? If so, like, did you have the same experience as me? Because I did not like it at all. You know, it came out orange. It got lightened a little bit once I put the concealer and stuff on it. I love the concealer. The concealer was so creamy and so blendable. It was definitely amazing. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is the look. I'm gonna be taking some photos so you guys can see like how it lasts throughout the day. And the lashes, oh my god, I love them. Eyeliner has like the best lashes. Okay, maybe the second best because I really like Kiss lashes, but their lashes are awesome. Okay guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I want to keep pushing out this dope content for you all, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye.